Mwiri ucio wa Richard Otieno uratwarirwo nyumba-ini ya kuiga akuo ya Kericho hwaini wa muthenya wa Kiumia thutha waguo kuhithukio ni maabitha a borithi uhithitwo githaka-ini kimwe mwena wa Moro ni arurungani aria marahobanirie nyumba ya kuiga akuo ya Elbagon na kuma naguo muthi wa Kiumia rucini. Ukinyeria mathaini ma thaa imwe hwaini wa Kiumia mwiri ucio nduramenyekanite kuria urari thutha waguo kuhithwo. Indi maabitha a Moro maretia uteithio kuma kuri maabitha a borithi a Naikuru aria marokire na ngui cia kunungira haria urakorirwo uhithitwo na hau uratwarwo nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri ya Kericho. Mwena-ini wao andu a family matongoretio ni wakiri wao Linda wa Maitha maugite gutire riboti o yothe mamukirite igi utwiria kuma kuri maabitha a borithi.
Yes, my late client has been receiving threats and some of them were even screenshots and the screenshots are out in the public with specific names of individuals who had threatened him. And yesterday we took that circumstantial evidence, it's very strong circumstantial evidence, to the DCI's office, and unfortunately none of those people has been arrested and none of them has been summoned.
Kwa sasa hatuombolezi, kwa sasa tunadai mtoto wetu wako wapi. And the second thing wenye naomba ni justice kwa Richie. Na siombi justice kwa Richie because he's my brother. He is gone and he is gone forever. Na tumeumia na tumeumia.
Nake mutumia wa Otieno augite muthuriwe ni arakoretwo akiamukira mikana kuma kuri andu ngurani haria arakoretwo amwira muturire wake uri hatikaini.
Na riu tionete progress o yothe, tutiretwo kana kuri andu manyitetwo, tionete andu mokite hau oragirwo marore ni ati hahana kana mageria gwika uthuthuria gutiri undu tweretwo gukinyaniria nginya thaa ici. Ni ngenda kihoto giake aheo kihoto kiria giake.
Richard arari muhari-ini wa mbere kuruta thirikari mahitia hamwe na utongoria wa Moro haria thikũ-ini cia ica ikuhi aragite na igweta inene mwena uyu. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Moro kaunti-ini ya Naikuru, ni njitagwo Joel Kimani wa Njuguna.